It's a beautiful, calm day, very humid and hot, and a lot of mosquitoes too. Just in case you're somewhere not in Cozumel and thinking that, oh my God, it's paradise, and it is, and there is a lot of paradise issues we have here too. Good morning, Judy, Gina, Pascal. For sure, you can't have it all. You are so right. I actually have 3 mosquito bites on my eyelid. Seriously. Good morning, Mary Kay. All right, it is 7:30. So let's start. Today we'll be working with throat chakra. In Sanskrit, it is called Vishuddha, and it represents our communication, both our communication with the world and ourselves. Our right to speak, our right to be heard, and our creative identity. We talked about the second chakra, sacral chakra, being responsible for creative identity as well. And there is no contradiction here. The difference is that the sacral chakra is more about physical creation, something you do with your hands or your body. And the throat chakra is more about intellectual creation, for example, writing or singing, stuff like this. In the endocrine system, throat chakra corresponds to thyroid, so very important as well. And essential oils for this one, lavender and chamomile, if you ever want to use those in association with meditating on throat chakra. So let's begin our meditative visualization. As always, take a comfortable position, intentionally taking a pause from everything you have been doing up to this moment and everything you need to do after this meditation is over. So really a nice pause. Inhabiting this pause with all your senses. Acknowledge the circumstances around you without trying to change them. If it's noisy, it's noisy. If it's not very comfortable in some way, well, adjust, see if you can get more comfortable. But if you can't, see if you can be okay with that. Acknowledge your physical state, your state of mind, your emotional state. And as always, if you'd like to dedicate this practice to somebody or all sentient beings, you can repeat, may they be happy, healthy, and free. May they be filled with loving kindness. For a few moments, bring your awareness to your breath, allowing yourself to breathe naturally, to be breathed by your body, as opposed to breathing from the mind. There is a big difference. See if you can sense it. Follow the natural rise and fall of your breath. Notice how your body responds to it. Root down through your sits bones if you're sitting cross-legged, or your feet if you're on the chair, or your entire back body if you're lying down. Feel the support that the earth provides you. If you want to add a mudra for the practice today, you can bring your thumb, index and middle fingers together in Kubera mudra. Now bring your attention to your throat area and visualize a tiny pin of blue color. On your next breath, allow it to grow to the size of a marble, and little by little, with the next few breaths, allow this tiny light to expand and envelop you, swirl around your entire body. Bathe in its energy. And as you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common throat chakra affirmations. As always, you can repeat all of them, or just some that resonate, or simply listen. I speak my truth. I choose to speak with clarity and kindness. It is safe to express myself. I say the right thing at the right time, and I know when it is time to listen. I have and act, I act with integrity. I am creative. I feel safe to deliver my creations into the world. Keep the visual on. The blue light still surrounds you. Allow your body to absorb it, to get infused with the energy of loving, clear, unapologetic communication. You choose to speak your truth. You have the right to voice your opinion. You are understood. You are a good listener. You feel safe to say your truth to the world and to yourself. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the tidal rhythm of it, the rise and fall of it. And for the next minute or so, with each breath out, you can recite the Bija mantra Hum, H-A-M, hum. Really focus on the sound of it, on the vibration the sound creates in your body. Especially when you work with the throat chakra, allow the voice, your voice, to come out clearly, without shyness. Say the mantra loudly if you can. Hum, hum. And now release that. And when you're ready, gently start coming back. Finishing your practice for today. There is no rush. Take all the time you need. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow for more chakra work.